See, Ekta Parishad was building on people's agenda and people's strength. So in 2007 we had 25,000 people marching. 2012 we had 100,000 people marching, and in 2020 there will be 1 million people marching. 1 million people marching in India, and maybe it is global, right? Now this is going to be built up. There are many components. One component will be training young people in every district of India. There are 660 districts, so we are going to train 200 people in every district, because no movement can be sustainable unless there are trained cadre who understand how effectively non-violence can be used in struggles. So training will be one big area, so we will have many youth camps in the coming years. The second part will be inviting people from different parts of India, world, different parts of the globe, to come and see what is happening in India. So in 2014, we have young people coming from different parts of the world to understand the youth mobilization and learn from it. Then 2016, we have women coming to understand the women's leadership in Ekta Parishad and in India. And 2018, we will have a larger number of people coming to see what is global local economy, because we are speaking about local economy being strengthened to fight against global economy. And everything will culminate in 2020 into a long march of 1 million people in India, in different parts of the world, and it's going to make the global institutions accountable. But the culmination will be by a walk from Rajghat, the place Mahatma Gandhi is resting in Delhi, to Geneva. We will cover a distance of 6,500 kilometers on foot in 15 months. So a long march in order to globalize the agenda and make global organizations accountable to the people.